Step 1. Add submersible fairy lights and scoops of hydrated transparent water gels. Add a little water in between transparent water gels later. Slide cherry blossoms down against the glass vase so they won't get squished. Repeat steps. Add more cherry blossoms to your liking. Continue adding submersible fairy lights in vase. Add glass chips, optional. Adjust submersible fairy lights. Leave an inch of transparent water gels exposed without water and tuck the battery unit in between gels.